Your clients can now watch your videos on Kajabi in over 70 different languages, either dubbed or transcribed with the words across it like a closed caption in their language. I'll show you how here. You can do this inside any course lesson. You could do it in your one-on-one coaching sessions. You could do it on the video on the checkout page. You could do it on the landing page. So it isn't just videos right here inside the courses. What you'll do is come to the video, where it says video actions, choose closed caption. And this is where you can see, let me make this a little smaller. This is where you can see the different languages available. So you'll go to translations and you can see all the different languages, so many. I think they're adding more too. And then you can go to dubbing and choose that. The difference between dubbing and translation is the dubbing is whenever you're speaking in that language. And then the translation is when the words just go across the page in their language. Dubbing may not have the emotional inflections that you have in a regular video. Then again, I can't say one's more accurate than the other, but one works a little more believable than the other. That's it. So we'll just choose whatever language. And you can see it'll say this video will cost 200 credits. Now with the plans here, this option is available on both the growth plan and the pro plan. And you can see you get, you can see how much each costs. Transcription, 1 credit per minute, which you'll get with 1,000 credits, 1,000 minutes. So you can kind of calculate based on the length of your video, how much it's going to cost you in credits. Now you are given, I think you're given 5, here it is, new pro and founders will get 1,000 credits, which reset in the first of every month. New growth people will get 500 credits, which reset in the first of every month. Now, what if you want more than that? So they have that down here. The AI credit bundle, $15 a month, 500 credits. Those credits do not roll over. So the ones you get every single month will roll over. But if you purchase the credit bundle, and you can buy as many as you want every month, it's just sort of available that month, and then that's it. See, no rollover. So let me show you one that I've already done. Back here, I have one that's already complete. And you can see, let me preview it. So this is what it'll look like for the student. They can choose to either click closed caption, and you can see I did English and Spanish, so you can watch it. Or they could choose dubbed right here, and they can choose English or Spanish. So I can move it back. So you can see how this could be valuable and on your courses. I did go to try to download it after I have it here. I thought, well, maybe I could take this video and put it on my YouTube channel. But no, you can't do that. Video actions, there's download video, but then it only is actually the original video, not the video with dubbing and whatnot. So you can only kind of ask for the dubbing and transcription inside Kajabi and use it in here in the platform. But you can't take it and try to use it on some other platform. So that would be the downside of using it. But that's a new feature, pretty cool. Let me know if I can help with anything. digitalcoursefreelancer.com, Virginia Stockwell. And don't forget to subscribe for more of these.